Okay, student, earlier we have discussed distance time graph. Now today we will discuss velocity time graph. So firstly you should know that what is the velocity. You already knows that the velocity of a body is the speed of the body in a particular direction. Now here we will discuss the case number 1 when body is moving with a uniform velocity. So what is a uniform velocity? When a body is moving in a straight line motion covering equal distances in equal interval of time, so then that types of the velocity is called uniform velocity of a object. Now suppose here for example, suppose a body start moving from A. Now after 1 second it's covered 10 meter distance, and then next second it's covered 10 meter distance, and then third second again it's covered 10 meters. It means that every instant of time its velocity is 10 meter per second. It means that object is moving in a the velocity of this object is a uniform motion. Now according to this example we will plot the velocity time graph. Now here we will see in first second we see first second its velocity is 10 meter. Its velocity is 10 meter per second, and second is also remain same, its velocity 10 meter per second, and third second again we see remain same, its velocity is remain same in every second, 5 seconds. And when we join this line point, so we will get a straight line. A straight line which is parallel to this time axis. Now this line is a straight line. It means that this line shows the velocity, and velocity is uniform because it is a straight line. Uniform velocity or a constant velocity. Now this velocity time graph, by this velocity and time graph and time axis we get the displacement of the object in any interval of time. Suppose that here t1, time t1 to t2, we have to find out the displacement between after t1 and t2, between t1 and t2. So now we see that when suppose that we draw this line in parallel to this velocity, so for getting the displacement or distance we have to find out the area of this rectangle. Suppose that this point is A, B, C and D. So displacement equals to the area of this rectangle. Getting a displacement equals to area of A, B, C, D. Rectangle of A, B, C, D. Area of rectangle of A, B, C, D. Now here time between time t1 and t2. So t1 equals to OA, and velocity after t1 is equals 10 meter per second, which is equals to AB. So here velocity is equals to AB. Now T2 equals to AD. T2 equals to AD, and velocity is after T2, velocity equals to DC, and DC equals to AB. DC equals to AB. DC equals to AB, and AB equals to 10 meter per second. Now displacement is area of this. Now displacement S equals to area of ABC. So area of rectangle ABCD. Area of rectangle breadth into length. So here breadth into length. So breadth will be AD into AB. AD into AB, and AD into AB. So for AD equals to, here it will be AD equals to OD minus OA. OD minus OA. So finding out of this distance, firstly we have to minus AO from OD. So OD minus OA into AB. AB equals to AB equals to velocity 10 meter per second. So here AB equals to V velocity. Velocity is this one's. AB equals to V. Now OD minus OA. OD equals to T2. OD equals to T2. AD, here OD. Okay. So OD equals to T2 minus T1 into V. Now we put the value of this ones. Now in this way we will get the displacement. You know that displacement equals to velocity into time, and velocity into time is the area of this one's rectangle ABCD. So now here we will put the value of T2 and T1. And T2 equals to 4 and T1 equals to 2. So now 4 minus 2 into V is 10 meter per second. So 10. Only the magnitude will be put here. So we will get 2 into 10 equals to 20. This was the 20 meter. So now the total displacement after time between 2 to 4 seconds, the total displacement of the object is equals to the area of this rectangle ABCD equals to 20 meters. So now in this way, for finding the displacement or distance, firstly we have to find out the area of this rectangle of time and velocity graph or time and distance graph.